National Parks in India complete list with state-wise data. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 1. Campbell Bay National Park, year established 1992, area 426 km. Superscript 2. Location: Great Nicobar Island, southernmost, mountains, hilly terrain, part of the Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot. Rivers: Galathea River. Climate: tropical rainforest, heavy rainfall, humid throughout the year. Flora: tropical evergreen forests, tree ferns, orchids. Fauna: Nicobar megapode, giant robber crab, Nicobar long-tailed macaque. Features: part of Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve, isolated and rich in endemic species. 2. Galathea National Park, year established 1992, area 110 square kilometers. Location: southern part of Great Nicobar Island, mountains, coastal plateau and low hills. Rivers: Galathea River meanders through. Climate: tropical monsoon, high humidity. Flora: mangroves, coastal vegetation. Fauna: leatherback turtles, nesting, Nicobar tree shrew. Features: coastal park known for marine biodiversity, leatherback nesting site. 3. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, year established 1983, area 281.5 square kilometers. Location: Wandoon near Port Blair, South Andaman. Climate: tropical marine, humid, hot summers and mild winters. Flora: coral reefs, mangroves, seagrass. Fauna: sea turtles, dolphins, reef fish, dugong. Features: 15 islands with coral reefs and marine life, popular for snorkeling and glass bottom boat rides. 4. North Button Island National Park, year established 1979, area 44 square kilometers. Location: near Long Island, Middle Andaman mountains, small hillocks. Climate: tropical marine. Flora: coastal forests, evergreen species. Fauna: dolphin, water monitor, lizard, dugong. Features: rich marine biodiversity, part of Button Islands group. 5. Middle Button Island National Park, year established 1979, area 64 square kilometers. Location: near Long Island, Middle Andaman. Climate: hot and humid, marine, tropical. Flora: tropical evergreen and mangrove forests. Fauna: dolphins, sea turtles, water lizards. Features: coral reefs and clear waters. 6. South Button Island National Park, year established 1979, area 5 square kilometers. Location: near Middle Andaman. Climate: tropical marine. Flora: coral reefs and aquatic flora. Fauna: sea turtles, coral fish, dugong. Features: smallest national park in India, snorkeling hotspot. 7. Mount Harriet National Park, renamed Mount Manipur NP in 2021. Year established 1979, area 46.6 square kilometers. Location: South Andaman Island, mountains, Mount Harriet, 365 meters, third highest peak in Andaman's. Rivers, streams and springs. Climate: tropical, moist and warm. Flora: evergreen and deciduous forests, ferns, wild orchids. Fauna: Andaman wild pig, robber crab, hornbills, Andaman day gecko. Features: featured on the old 20 rupee note, renamed Mount Manipur NP in 2021. 8. Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, year established 1996, area 256 square kilometers. Location: Ritchie's Archipelago, South Andaman mountains, coral islands and shallow reefs. Climate: marine, tropical. Flora: coral reefs, mangroves. Fauna: dugongs, dolphins, reef fish. Features: comprises Sink Island Group and other coral-rich islands. 9. Saddle Peak National Park, year established 1987, area 85 kilometers. Location: North Andaman Island, mountains, Saddle Peak, 732 meters, highest point in Andaman's. Rivers, several small streams. Climate: tropical, wet, evergreen. Flora: canopy trees, epiphytes, rare orchids. Fauna: Andaman helmine, wild pig, python, Andaman kret. Features: dense forest, endemic biodiversity, major trekking route. Assam. 1. Kaziranga National Park, Tiger Reserve in 2006, year established 1974. Area 859 kilometers. Mountains, floodplains, no significant hills, rivers, Brahmaputra River, multiple wetlands and beals. Climate tropical monsoon, heavy rainfall and floods. Flora, tall elephant grass, tropical moist deciduous forest. Fauna, one-horned rhinoceros, highest global population, elephant, tiger, swamp deer, wild buffalo. Features: UNESCO World Heritage Site known for seasonal flooding and grassland ecosystem. To Manas National Park, sanctuary since 1928, year established 1990, core area 500 kilometers. Area 500 kilometers, core. Mountains, foothills of eastern Himalayas, rivers, Manas River, tributary of Brahmaputra. Climate tropical and subtropical, high rainfall. Flora, moist deciduous forests, grasslands. Fauna, golden langur, pygmy hawk, tiger, wild buffalo, clouded leopard. Features: UNESCO World Heritage Site, Biosphere Reserve, Project Tiger Site. 3. Nameri National Park, year established 1998, area 200 kilometers, mountains, Himalayan foothills, near Arunachal border. Rivers: Jia Bhoruli River. Climate tropical, moderate winters, monsoon-dominated rainfall. Flora, evergreen and semi-evergreen forests. Fauna: Bengal tiger, leopard, elephant, white-winged wood duck, endangered. Features: critical bird area, part of the larger Nameri Tiger Reserve. 4. Dibru-Sakhova National Park, year established 1999. Area 340 kilometers, mountains, flat alluvial floodplain. Rivers: Dibru and Brahmaputra rivers. Climate tropical monsoon. Flora: semi-evergreen forest, grassland, swamp. Fauna: feral horse, rare, Gangetic dolphin, capped langur, tiger. Features: known for white-winged wood duck and riverine habitat. 5. Orang National Park, also known as Rajiv Gandhi NP. Year established 1999, area 78.8 kilometers, mountains, floodplain, rivers, north bank of Brahmaputra. Climate tropical, wet. Flora: alluvial grasslands and savanna, woodland. Fauna: one-horned rhinoceros, Bengal tiger, pygmy hawk, elephants. Features: mini Kaziranga, high density of rhinos and water birds. 6. Raimona National Park, year established 2021, area 422 kilometers, mountains, foothills of eastern Himalayas, Bodoland region. Rivers: Sankosh River. Climate subtropical with heavy rainfall. Flora: semi-evergreen and moist deciduous forests. Fauna: golden langur, endemic, tiger, elephants. Features: part of the Chakrashila-Kachugao-Gorang landscape, new tiger corridor. 7. Dihing Patkai National Park, year established 2021, area 234.2 kilometers, mountains, Patkai Hills. Rivers: Dihing River. Climate tropical, wet, evergreen. Flora: tropical rainforests, orchids, ferns. Fauna: clouded leopard, flying squirrel, marbled cat, hornbills. Features: India's only rainforest national park, exceptional butterfly. Arunachal Pradesh 1. Namdapha National Park. Year established 1983. Area 1808 square kilometers, fourth largest in India. Location: Changlang district, eastern Arunachal Pradesh. Mountains: Patkai Hills, Dafa Bum Range. Rivers: Noading River. Climate subtropical to alpine, high rainfall, misty. Flora: tropical rainforest to alpine vegetation, orchids, cane, ferns. Fauna: all 4 big cats, tiger, leopard, snow leopard, clouded leopard, red panda, hoolock gibbon. Features: one of the richest biodiversity hotspots in India, remote and undisturbed. To Mauling National Park, year established 1986, area 483 square kilometers, location: Upper Siang district. Mountains: Mauling Range, eastern Himalayas. Rivers: Siang River, Brahmaputra tributary. Climate subtropical to alpine, high humidity. Flora: tropical evergreen, bamboo groves, rhododendrons. Fauna: taking red panda, cerro, clouded leopard. Features: Difficult terrain, tribal significance, known for wild medicinal plants. Andhra Pradesh. 1. Shri Venkateshwar National Park, year established 1989, area 353.6 km, location Chittoor and Kadapa districts, mountains Eastern Ghats, Sheshchalam Hills, rivers Swarnamukhi River, climate tropical dry deciduous. Flora, red sanders, sandalwood, bamboo. Fauna, leopard, sloth, bear, deer, Indian giant squirrel. Features, part of Sheshchalam Biosphere Reserve, sacred forests near Thirumal. 2. Rajiv Gandhi, Rameswaram National Park, year established 2005, area 2.4 km, location Kadapa district, mountains, low hills of Eastern Ghats, climate dry tropical. Flora, dry scrub forests, fauna, spotted deer, peafowl, reptiles. Features, one of the smallest national parks in India focused on regional conservation. 3. Papikonda National Park, year established 2008, area 1013 km, location East and West Godavari districts, mountains Eastern Ghats, rivers Godavari River flows through, climate tropical wet dry. Flora, moss deciduous and semi-evergreen forests, fauna, tiger, leopard, Gorhill mine. Features, dense riverine and hill forests, crucial wildlife corridor. Bihar. 1. Valmiki National Park, year established 1989, area 335.6 km, location West Champaran district, Indo-Nepal border, mountains Himalayan foothills, Someshwar Hills, rivers Gandak River, climate tropical, moist deciduous, moderate winters, hot summers. Flora, sal, bamboo, grasslands. Fauna, tiger, leopard, wild dog, sloth, bear, gharial. Features, part of Valmiki Tiger Reserve, Bihar's only national park. Chhattisgarh. 1. Kana Valley National Park, year established 1982, area 200 km, location Bastar district, mountains Eastern Ghats, rivers Kana River, climate tropical, moist deciduous. Flora, sal, bamboo, teak. Fauna, leopard, tiger, bear, hill mine. Features, Kotumsar and Dandak caves, known for limestone caves and waterfalls. 2. Indravati National Park, year established 1982, area 1258.4 km, location Bijapur district. Mountains southern Satpura range, rivers Indravati River, tributary of Godavari, climate tropical dry. Flora, dry deciduous forest. Fauna, wild buffalo, state animal, tiger, nilgai. Features, only park in India to host wild water buffalo, endangered. 3. Guru Ghazidas National Park, Sanjay NP split part, year established 2001, as NP, area 1440.7 km, location Korea district, mountains Michael Hills, rivers Hastio River, climate tropical dry and moist deciduous. Flora, sal, bamboo, tendu. Fauna, sloth, bear, tiger, leopard, barking deer. Features, recently notified as Tiger Reserve, 2022, shares border with MP's Sanjay NP. Goa. 1. Molam National Park, year established 1992, area 107 km, location South Goa, part of Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary, mountains Western Ghats. Rivers, Mandvi River and Dudhsagar stream, climate tropical, monsoon, high rainfall. Flora, semi-evergreen and moist deciduous forest, fauna, leopard, gaur, black panther, civet, hornbill. Features, famous for Dudhsagar Falls and rich biodiversity, part of UNESCO Western Ghats Biosphere. Gujarat. 1. Gir National Park, year established 1975, area 258.7 km, core area. Location, Junagadh, Amreli and Gir Somnath districts, mountains Gir Hills. Rivers, Hiran, Shetruంజి, Machundri, climate tropical dry and hot summers, mild winters. Flora, dry deciduous forests, teak, acacia, flame of the forest, fauna, Asiatic lion, only wild population, leopard, striped hyena, chinkara. Features: only place in the world where Asiatic lions live in the wild. 2. Blackbuck, Velavdar National Park, year established 1976, area 34.5 kilometers, location Bhavnagar district, mountains, flat grassland terrain. Rivers: none significant, seasonal wetlands, climate semi-arid, hot summers, sparse rainfall. Flora: grasslands, Prosopis juliflora, saline scrub. Fauna: blackbuck, main species, wolf-striped hyena, fox, lesser florican. Features: best grassland NP for observing blackbucks and birds like florican. 3. Marine National Park, Gulf of Kutch, here established 1982. Area: 162.9 kilometers, marine area plus 42 islands, location Jamnagar district, mountains, none, coastal, tidal flats and reefs, rivers, Indus Delta influence, tidal channels, climate, arid coastal. Flora: coral reefs, seagrass beds, mangroves. Fauna: coral reef fish, dolphins, sea turtles, jellyfish, dugong. Features: India's first marine NP, famous for Pirotan Island and coral diversity. 4. Vansada National Park, year established 1979. Area: 23.9 kilometers, location Navsari district, mountains, Sahyadri range, western Ghats extension, rivers, Ambika river, climate tropical, high humidity and rainfall. Flora: moist deciduous forests, teak, bamboo, mango, wild bananas. Fauna: leopard, hyena, giant squirrel, pangolin. Features: dense canopy forests, rich flora diversity in a compact area. Haryana: 1. Sultanpur National Park, year established 1989, area 1.43 km, location Gurugram, Gurgaon district, flat alluvial plains, rivers, seasonal wetland fed by rainwater and nearby streams, climate semi-arid, hot summers, cold winters. Flora: grassland, acacia, babool, neem. Fauna: migratory birds, Siberian cranes, flamingos, painted storks, pelicans. Features: Ramsar site, birding hotspot in NCR. 2. Kalasar National Park, year established 2003, area 46.82 kilometers, location Yamunanagar district, mountains, Shivalik hills, rivers, Yamuna river nearby, climate subtropical, moderate rainfall. Flora: Sal, Semel, Khair, bamboo. Fauna: leopard, Sambhar, barking deer, wild boar. Features: part of the Shivalik Elephant Reserve, rich forest biodiversity. Himachal Pradesh: 1. Great Himalayan National Park, year established 1984, area 754.4 kilometers, location Kullu district. Mountains, western Himalayas. Rivers, Tirthan, Sand, Jiva, Nal, climate alpine to temperate, snow in winters. Flora: conifers, alpine meadows, rhododendrons. Fauna: snow leopard, Himalayan peher, musk deer, western tragopan. Features: UNESCO World Heritage Site, high biodiversity and trekking trails. Tupin Valley National Park, year established 1987, area 675 kilometers, location Lahore and Spiti district. Mountains, Trans-Himalayas, rivers, Spin river, climate cold desert, snowbound winters. Flora: sparse alpine vegetation, juniper, dwarf willows. Fauna: snow leopard, ibex, red fox. Features: high-altitude park, remote and least disturbed ecosystems. 3. Kheer-Ganga National Park, year established 2010, area 710 kilometers, location Kullu district, mountains, Parvati Valley, rivers, Parvati river, climate temperate to alpine. Flora: oak, deodar, rhododendrons. Fauna: Himalayan black bear, snow leopard, Himalayan monal. Features: trekking hub, part of Parvati Pin, Great Himalayan Corridor. 4. Indrakilla National Park. Year established 2010. Area 104 square kilometers. Location Kullu district. Mountains, western Himalayas, rivers, tributaries of Beas river. Climate temperate, alpine flora, alpine pastures, deodar, oak. Fauna: snow leopard, brown bear, musk deer. Features: rich medicinal flora, high-altitude meadows. 5. Simbalbara National Park, year established 2010, area 27.88 kilometers. Location: Sirmaur district, mountains, Shivalik hills, rivers, Simbalbara stream, climate subtropical to temperate. Flora: sal and moist deciduous forest, fauna, goral, sambar leopard, Indian muntjac. Features: scenic forest landscape with trails and riverine beauty. Jammu and Kashmir. 1. Dachigam National Park, year established 1981, area 141 kilometers. Location: near Srinagar mountains, Barwan range, western Himalayas. Rivers: Dagwan stream originates from Mercer Lake, climate temperate to alpine, snowy winters, mild summers. Flora: oak, pine, silver birch, wild cherry, fauna, hengul, Kashmiri stag, endemic and endangered, leopard, Himalayan black bear. Features: only habitat of the hengul, originally established as a watershed preserve. 2. Kishtwar National Park, year established 1981, area 425 kilometers. Location: Kishtwar district. Mountains: Great Himalayan range, rivers, Marwa and Renai rivers. Climate: subalpine and alpine, flora, coniferous forests, alpine pastures. Fauna: snow leopard, ibex, musk deer, brown bear. Features: high altitude park located near Ziskar range, Ladakh. 1. Hemis National Park. Year established 1981, area 3,350 kilometers, largest national park in India. Location: eastern Ladakh, south of Leh mountains, Trans-Himalayas, includes Markha Stalk and Rambak valleys. Rivers: Indus River and its tributaries. Climate: cold desert, arid, long winters. Flora: alpine steppe, dwarf shrubs, medicinal herbs. Fauna: snow leopard, main highlight, bharal, blue sheep, Tibetan wolf, red fox. Features: highest altitude NP in India, stronghold for snow leopard conservation. Jharkhand. 1. Betla National Park, year established 1986, area 226.3 kilometers. Location: Latehar and Palamu districts, mountains, Chota Nagpur plateau, rivers, Koel river and its tributaries. Climate: tropical, hot summers, moderate rainfall. Flora: sal, bamboo, grasslands. Fauna: elephant, leopard, gore, sloth, bear, langur. Features: part of the Palamu Tiger Reserve. Historic Palamu Fort lies within the park. Kela. 1. Eraviculam National Park. Year established 1978. Area 97 square kilometers. Location: Idukki district, western Ghats. Mountains: Anamudi Peak, 2,695 meters, highest in South India. Rivers: tributaries of Periyar River. Climate: tropical montane, cool and misty. Flora: Shola forests, grasslands, Neelkurinji flowers, blooms once every 12 years. Fauna: Nilgiri teher, endemic, leopard, elephant. Features: UNESCO World Heritage Site, core of high-altitude ecosystem. 2. Silent Valley National Park. Year established 1984. Area 89.5 square kilometers. Location: Palakkad district. Mountains: Nilgiri hills, western Ghats. Rivers: Kunti river. Climate: evergreen rainforest, high rainfall. Flora: tropical evergreen forest, orchids, ferns. Fauna: lion-tailed macaque, tiger, flying squirrel. Features: pristine rainforest, no road access inside core area. 3. Periyar National Park, year established 1982. Area 350 kilometers, core zone. Location: Idukki and Pathanamthitta districts. Mountains: Cardamom Hills, western Ghats. Rivers: Periyar River, artificial lake from Mulla Periyar Dam. Climate: tropical, heavy monsoon. Flora: evergreen and moist deciduous forests, grasslands. Fauna: elephants, tigers, gore, sambar, otters. Features: known for boat safaris, strong elephant population. 4. Mathikettan Shola National Park, year established 2003. Area 12.8 kilometers. Location Idukki district. Mountains Western Ghats. Rivers streams feeding the Pambar river. Climate tropical montane. Flora dense Shola forest. Fauna leopard, elephant, giant squirrel. Features corridor between Eravikulam and Periyar parks. 5. Pampadum Shola National Park. Year established 2003. Area 1.3 square kilometer, smallest NP in Kerala. Location Idukki district. Mountains Western Ghats. Rivers small streams. Climate tropical wet evergreen. Flora Shola grassland ecosystem. Fauna Nilgiri marten, wild dogs, elephants. Features important for ecological connectivity and water conservation. 6. Anamudi Shola National Park. Year established 2003. Area 7.5 square kilometers. Location Idukki district. Mountains Western Ghats, near Anamudi. Rivers tributaries of Pambar and Periyar rivers. Climate montane tropical. Flora Shola forests and grasslands. Fauna elephant Nilgiri Langur Teheb. Features enhances connectivity between other Shola reserves. Karnataka. 1. Bandipur National Park. Year established 1974. Area 874.2 kilometers. Location Chamrajnagar district. Mountains Western Ghats, Nilgiri biosphere. Rivers Kabini Moyan. Climate tropical, dry summers, moderate monsoon. Flora teak, rosewood, sandalwood. Fauna tigers, elephants, dholes, gars. Features part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve Tiger Corridor with Nagarhole and Wayanad. 2. Nagarhole National Park, Rajiv Gandhi NP. Year established 1988. Area 643.4 square kilometers. Location Kodgu and Masur districts. Mountains Western Ghats. Rivers Kabini River. Climate tropical, moist, deciduous. Flora teak, rosewood, bamboo. Fauna tiger, leopard, elephant, sloth, bear. Features UNESCO candidate site, excellent wildlife sightings via safaris. 3. Bannerghatta National Park. Year established 1974. Area 260.5 square kilometers. Location Bangalore urban district. Mountains Deccan Plateau, undulating terrain. Rivers Suvarnamukhi stream. Climate semi-arid tropical. Flora shrubs, bamboo, deciduous species. Fauna leopard, lion, elephant, jackal. Features houses India's first butterfly park, popular for zoo and safari. Karnataka. 4. Anshi National Park merged into Kali Tiger Reserve. Year established 1987. Area 4173 square kilometers. Location Uttara Kannada district. Mountains Western Ghats, rivers Kali River. Climate humid tropical, flora evergreen and semi-evergreen forests. Fauna black panther, tiger, flying squirrel. Features part of Kali Tiger Reserve, very rich in biodiversity. 5. Kudremukh National Park. Year established 1987. Area 6003 square kilometers. Location Chikmagaluru, Udupi districts. Mountains Kudremukh Peak, Western Ghats, rivers Tunga Bhadra. Climate tropical, wet, high rainfall. Flora Shola forests, grasslands. Fauna lion-tailed macaque, tiger, leopard. Features one of India's largest reserved Shola grassland ecosystems. Maharashtra. 1. Tadoba National Park. Year established 1955. Area 1165 square kilometers. Co-part of Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve. Location Chandrapur district. Mountains Chandrapur Hills, rivers Andhari River. Climate tropical, dry, deciduous. Flora teak, bamboo, flame of the forest. Fauna tiger, top predator, sloth, bear, wild dog, leopard. Features one of the best tiger reserves in India. To Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Borivali, NP. Year established 1983, area 869 square kilometers, location Mumbai suburbs, mountains, Kanheri Hills, Western Ghats extension, rivers Vihar and Tulsi lakes. Climate tropical, coastal flora, bamboo, teak, mango, medicinal plants, fauna, leopards, civets, bonnet macaques. Features urban park home to 2400-year-old Kanheri caves. 3 Chandoli National Park, year established 2004, area 3177 square kilometers, location Sangli and Satara districts, mountains Sahyadri Hills, rivers Varna River. Climate tropical, monsoon, flora evergreen and deciduous forests, fauna gaur tiger, Sambhar mouse deer. Features part of Sahyadri Tiger Reserve. 4 Gugamal National Park, year established 1974. Area 3613 square kilometers, location Amravati district, mountains Satpura range, rivers Sipna river. Climate tropical. Flora teak, bamboo, grasslands, fauna tiger, panther, nilgai, wild dog. Features core of Melhat Tiger Reserve. 5 Navagaon National Park. Year established 1975, area 1339 square kilometers, location Gondia district, mountains Satpura foothills, rivers Navagaon lake man-made. Climate tropical, dry, flora teak, bamboo, jamun, fauna leopard, sloth, bear, herons, kingfisher. Features bird watchers, paradise, scenic lake. 6 Pench National Park, Jawaharlal Nehru, NP, Maharashtra side. Year established 1975, area 2573 square kilometers, location Nagpur district, mountains Satpura range, rivers Pench river. Climate tropical, dry, deciduous flora teak, mahua, bamboo, fauna tiger, leopard, chital, wild dog. Features part of the larger Pench Tiger Reserve shared with Madhya Pradesh. Manipur. Cable Lamjao National Park, year established 1977, area 40 square kilometers, location Bishnupur district, located on Loktak Lake, rivers Loktak Lake system. Climate subtropical with humid summers and mild winters. Flora floating vegetation called Fumdis, heterogeneous mass of vegetation, soil and organic matter. Fauna Sangi bro, antlered deer, endemic and endangered hog deer, otter, waterfowl. Features world's only floating national park, vital wetland ecosystem under Ramsar. Meghalaya. 1 Nokrek Ridge National Park, year established 1986, area 475 square kilometers, location West Garo Hills district, mountains Nokrek Peak, highest in Garo Hills, rivers Sinsang river and tributaries. Climate subtropical, high rainfall, flora tropical and subtropical, broadleaf forests, citrus, biodiversity, fauna red panda, golden cat, hulok gibbon, Asian elephant. Features UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, home to the endemic wild citrus fruit Citrus indica. To Balpakram National Park, year established 1985, area 220 square kilometers, location South Garo Hills district, mountains Balpakram plateau, eastern rim of Tura range, rivers Sinsang and Mahadeo rivers. Climate tropical with heavy monsoons, flora subtropical, forest rare herbs, pitcher plants, fauna red panda, gibbons, leopards, golden langurs, marbled cat. Features land of spirits, sacred to local Garo tribes, rich in caves and canyons. Mizoram. 1 Merlin National Park, year established 1991, area 100 square kilometers, location Champhai district near Indo-Myanmar border, mountains Lushai Hills, rivers streams of Tuipui river system. Climate subtropical, heavy monsoon rainfall, flora dense semi-evergreen and bamboo forests, often called the land of no sunlight due to thick canopy. Fauna tiger, leopard, Himalayan black bear, Sero hulok gibbon. Features extremely rich biodiversity and dense forests with canopy coverage of 70%. To Phongpui National Park, also called Blue Mountain National Park, year established 1992, area 50 square kilometers, location Long Klai district, mountains Phongpui Peak 2157 meters, highest in Mizoram, rivers streams flowing into the Kolodine River. Climate temperate, cool and misty year-round, flora orchids, rhododendrons, bamboo, grasslands, fauna clouded leopard, barking deer, goral bliths, tragopan. Features sacred mountain to local tribes, panoramic grassland, meadows and cliffs. Nagaland. One Ntanki National Park, also spelled Ntanki, year established 1993, area 2020 square kilometers, location Paran district, mountains Barel range, rivers Ntanki river and tributaries. Climate subtropical, high humidity and rainfall, flora tropical, evergreen and semi-evergreen forests, bamboo, cane fauna, hulock, gibbon, capped langur, golden langur, sloth, bear, leopard, python. Features only national park in Nagaland, significant tribal forest conservation efforts. Madhya Pradesh. One Kanha National Park, year established 1955, area 940 square kilometers, location Mandala and Balaghat districts, mountains Michael Hills, Satpura range, rivers Banjar and Halon rivers. Climate tropical, moist and dry, deciduous, flora sal, bamboo, grasslands, fauna Barsinga state animal, tiger, leopard, gore. Features inspiration for the Jungle Book, successful reintroduction of swamp deer. To Bandhavgarh National Park, year established 1968, area 4,488 square kilometers, location Umria district, mountains Vindhya Hills, rivers Sun river, tributaries. Climate tropical, hot summers, flora sal, forests, grasslands, fauna high, tiger density, leopard, deer, langurs. Features ancient Bandhavgarh fort, known for frequent tiger sightings. 3 Panna National Park, year established 1981, area 5,427 square kilometers, location Panna and Chhatarpur districts, mountains Vindhya range, rivers Ken river. Climate tropical, dry, deciduous, flora teak, flame of the forest acacia, fauna tiger, reintroduced leopard, gharial, vultures. Features Ken Betwa river interlinking project proposed nearby UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. 4 Pench National Park, year established 1975, area 2,928 square kilometers, location Sioni and Chhindwara districts, mountains Satpura range, rivers Pench river. Climate tropical, dry, flora teak, mahua, bamboo, fauna tiger, leopard, Indian wolf, jackal. Features shared with Maharashtra setting of the Jungle Book. 5 Satpura National Park, year established 1981, area 5,852 square kilometers, location Hoshangabad, Narmadapuram district, mountains Satpura range, rivers Denwa river. Climate tropical, moist, deciduous, flora sal, teak, bamboo, fauna sloth, bear, leopard, Indian bison, crocodiles. Features boat, jeep and walking safaris, least commercialized tiger habitat. 6 Sanjay National Park, year established 1981, area 4,669 square kilometers, location Sindhi and Singrauli districts, mountains eastern Satpura range, rivers Banas river. Climate tropical, moist, flora sal, bamboo, fauna leopard, Nilgai, Sambhar, wild boar. Features shares boundary with Guru Ghassidas, NP in Chhattisgarh. 7 Fossil National Park, year established 1983, area 0 to 7 km, superscript to smallest NP in MP, location Dindori district, mountains Vindhya plateau, rivers none significant. Climate tropical, dry, flora fossilized trees and stumps, fauna nil. Features geological site with plant fossils from 40 to 150 million years ago. 8 Dinosaur Fossils National Park, year established 2011, area 0897 km, superscript to location Dhar district, mountains Malwa plateau, rivers Chambal tributaries. Climate tropical, dry, flora fossil rich terrain, fauna non-paleontological site. Features fossilized dinosaur eggs and bones, significant for evolutionary studies. 9 Madhav National Park, year established 1959, area 3,752 square kilometers, location Shivpuri district, mountains Vindhya, outliers rivers Sakhya Sagar and Madhav lakes. Climate semi-arid, flora dry, deciduous forests, scrub, fauna leopard, Chinkara, Nilgai, crocodile. Features historic hunting ground of Gwalior royalty. 10 Van Vihar National Park, year established 1979, area 445 square kilometers, location Bhopal, urban mountains, flat terrain, rivers adjacent to Upper Lake. Climate tropical, semi-arid, flora urban woodland, fauna tiger, bear, python, deer, semi-captive model. Features urban conservation park combines zoo and free range model. 11 Ratapani National Park status declared as a national park. Notified area ~823 km superscript to location Raisen and Sehore districts mountains Vindhya ranges rivers Barna Dhaman and Kalyasot rivers. Climate tropical dry deciduous flora teak tendu bamboo medicinal plants fauna leopard sloth bear chinkara hyena jungle cat features proposed tiger reserve known for Bhimbetka rock shelters UNESCO World Heritage Site nearby. Odisha. One Simlipal National Park year established 1980 declared NP part of Biosphere Reserve since 1994 area 8,457 square kilometers location Mayurbhanj district northern Odisha mountains eastern Ghats Simlipal hills rivers Budbalanga Palpala and tributaries. Climate tropical monsoon heavy rainfall flora sal forests grasslands orchids medicinal plants fauna tiger elephant gore giant squirrel pangolin features part of UNESCO Biosphere Reserve home to Bareipani and Joranda waterfalls. To Bhitarknika National Park year established 1988 area 145 square kilometers location Kendrapara district eastern Odisha mountains coastal Daltake plains rivers Brahmani Baitarani Dhamra rivers. Climate tropical coastal humid with high rainfall flora mangrove forests tidal wetlands salt tolerant species fauna saltwater crocodile olive ridley turtle king cobra water monitor lizard features India's second largest mangrove ecosystem Ramsar site. Rajasthan. One Ranthambore National Park year established 1980 declared as sanctuary earlier in 1955 area 282 square kilometers core total area under TR-1334 km superscript to location Savai Madhopur district mountains Aravali and Vindhya ranges rivers Banas river and Chambal tributaries. Climate semi-arid hot summers cold winters flora dhok tree dominant dry deciduous forests fauna Bengal tiger sloth bear caracal marsh crocodile features famous for tiger photography and Ranthambore Fort UNESCO tentative list. To Sariska National Park year established 1992 area 2738 square kilometers core location Alwar district mountains Aravali hills rivers seasonal rivers Saraswati Talvriksha. Climate dry tropical sparse rainfall flora dhok acacia bamboo thorn scrub fauna reintroduced tigers leopard nilgai hyena features rich in historic temples and forts former royal hunting ground. Three Desert National Park year established 1992 area 3162 square kilometers location Jaisalmer and Burma districts mountains sand dunes rocky outcrops rivers non-permanent ephemeral streams. Climate arid desert climate flora cacti shrubs xerophytic grasses fauna Great Indian bustard desert fox monitor lizard chinkara features fossils of dinosaurs and trees dating back 180 million years. 4 Kyoledio Ghana National Park Bharatpur year established 1981 as NP earlier a duck hunting reserve area 287 square kilometers location Bharatpur district mountains none flat wetlands rivers artificially managed wetland via Ghana Canal. Climate tropical wet and dry flora wetland plants acacia babool fauna over 375 bird species including Siberian crane herons ibises features UNESCO World Heritage Site prime bird watching destination. 5 Mukundra Hills National Park year established 2006 area 2005 square kilometers location Kota Bundi and Chittorgarh districts mountains Mukundra Hills Aravali Vindhya interface rivers Chambal Kali Sindh and Ahu rivers. Climate semi-arid flora dry deciduous forests fauna leopard sloth bear chinkara nilgai features recently notified tiger reserve strategic relocation zone. Sikkim. Thangbrain Zonda National Park year established 1977 area 1784 square kilometers mountains located in the Himalayas includes Mount Thangbrain Zonda third highest peak in the world rivers Teesta River and its tributaries originate here. Climate alpine to temperate, heavy snowfall in winter, cool summers. Flora: oak, acacia, birch, rhododendron, alpine grasses, medicinal plants. Fauna: snow leopard, red panda, Himalayan black bear, Himalayan teher, musk deer. Features: UNESCO mixed heritage site, rich cultural and biodiversity hotspot. Tamil Nadu. One Guindi National Park year established 1976. Area 27 square kilometers. Mountains, Nil rivers, Nil urban park. Climate tropical, hot summers, mild winters. Flora: dry, evergreen scrub, thorn forest, neem, tamarind, gulmohar. Fauna: blackbuck, spotted deer, jackal, civet, mongoose, monitor lizard. Features: one of the few national parks within a city. Chennai. Eco-educational importance. To Mudumalai National Park year established 1990. Part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Area 321 square kilometers. Mountains, Nilgiri Hills, Western Ghats, rivers. Moyer River flows through the park. Climate tropical, moderate rainfall, pleasant year-round. Flora: tropical moist deciduous forests, dry deciduous teak, bamboo. Fauna: elephants, tigers, leopards, Indian gas sloth, bear. Features: important wildlife corridor with Bandipur, Karnataka and Wayanad, Kerala. 3 Mukurthi National Park year established 1990. Area 785 square kilometers. Mountains, Western Ghats, Nilgiris, rivers, several streams feeding Bhavani River. Climate cool, temperate, high rainfall. Flora: shola grassland ecosystem, rhododendron, orchids. Fauna: Nilgiri teher, endemic leopards, sambars, otters. Features: UNESCO Western Ghats World Heritage Site protected for Nilgiri teher conservation. 4 Indira Gandhi Anamlai National Park year established 1989. Area 958 square kilometers. Mountains, Anamlai Hills, Western Ghats, rivers, Aliyar, Thunkadavu, Upper Aliyar rivers. Climate tropical, humid, heavy monsoon. Flora: tropical, wet, evergreen, semi-evergreen deciduous forests. Fauna: lion-tailed macaque, elephant, tiger, panther, pangolin. Features: high biodiversity and indigenous tribal communities. 5 Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, partly declared National Park. Note: while primarily a tiger reserve, part of it is managed with National Park regulations. Area 1411 square kilometers. Mountains, Eastern Ghats meeting Western Ghats, rivers, Bhavani, Moyer rivers. Climate tropical to subtropical. Flora: mixed deciduous, dry forests, scrub. Fauna: tigers, leopards, elephants, dholes. Features: critical wildlife corridor in southern India. Telangana. 1 Kasu Brahmanand Reddy KBR National Park year established 1994. Area 142 square kilometers. Location: Hyderabad city. Climate semi-arid, hot summers, moderate rainfall. Flora: dry deciduous scrub forest, neem, teak, bamboo. Fauna: peacocks, jungle cat, porcupine, monitor lizard. Features: urban biodiversity hub and eco-tourism spot in Hyderabad. Telangana. To Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park year established 1994. Area 1459 square kilometers. Location: Vanaslipuram, Hyderabad, rivers, small streams. Climate tropical, hot summers, moderate monsoon. Flora: grasslands, thorny scrub, acacia, neem. Fauna: blackbucks, main attraction, cheetahs, mongoose, monitor lizard. Features: originally a private hunting ground of the Nizam of Hyderabad. 3 Mrigvani National Park year established 1994. Area 36 square kilometers. Location: near Chilkur, Hyderabad. Mountains, undulating terrain, rivers, Nil. Climate semi-arid, hot and dry with mild winters. Flora: tropical deciduous forest, bamboo, teak. Fauna: Indian hare, civet, wild boar, snake species. Features: environmental education center and trekking facility. Tripura. 1 Clouded Leopard National Park year established 2007. Area 508 square kilometers. Location: Sepahijala Wildlife Sanctuary, West Tripura. Mountains located in low hills of eastern Tripura. Rivers nearby Gunti River. Climate tropical, monsoon, high rainfall, humid. Flora: tropical, evergreen forest, bamboo thickets. Fauna: clouded leopard, main species spectacled langur, migratory birds. Features: named after rare clouded leopard, conservation focused. To Rajbari Bisan National Park year established 2007. Area 316 square kilometers. Location Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary, South Tripura Mountains, low elevation hillocks, rivers, numerous wetlands and water bodies. Climate humid subtropical, flora semi-evergreen and moist deciduous forests, fauna Indian gaur bison, deer, hulock gibbon, rich bird life. Features known for bison population, also home to orchids and cane forests. Uttar Pradesh. One Dudhwa National Park, year established 1977. Area 4,903 square kilometers. Location Lakhimpur Kheri district near Indo-Nepal border. Mountains Teri region, foothills of Himalayas, rivers Suheli and Mohana rivers flow through the park. Climate humid subtropical with dry winters and hot summers. Flora sal forests, grasslands, swamp vegetation. Fauna Bengal tiger, swamp deer, Barsinga rhinoceros, elephants. Features part of the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve along with Kishanpur and Katarnia Ghat wildlife sanctuaries. Uttarakhand. One Jim Corbett National Park, year established 1936. As Helan National Park, renamed in 1956. Area 5,208 square kilometers. Location Nainital and Pauri Garhwal districts, mountains, outer Himalayas, Shivaliks, rivers, Ramganga River. Climate subtropical with cool winters and hot summers. Flora sal, khair, sissu, chirpine, grasslands. Fauna Bengal tiger, elephants, otters, gharial, leopards. Features India's first national park and first under Project Tiger 1973. To Nanda Devi National Park, year established 1982. Area 6,303 square kilometers. Location Chamoli district, mountains surrounded by Nanda Devi Peak 7,816 meters, rivers Rishi Ganga. Climate alpine, snow-bound winters and cool summers. Flora alpine meadows, rhododendrons, FIR birch, fauna snow leopard, Bharal Himalayan musk deer. Features UNESCO World Heritage Site along with Valley of Flowers NP.